Oh god, what is it? It's SVR.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Somerville County in north-central Texas, southern Johnson County in north-central Texas, Bosque County in central Texas, northwestern Hill County in central Texas, until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:53 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Joshua to near Dinosaur Valley State Park, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cleburne, Hillsboro, Clifton, Glen Rose, Whitney, Itasca, Meridian, Bloom, Ellerdale, Covington, Cleburne State Park, Meridian State Park, Dinosaur Valley State Park, Lake Whitney State Park, Rio Vista, Walnut Springs, and Morgan. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 364 and 369. Interstate 35W between mile markers 1 and 8. Interstate 35E near mile marker 371. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.